This is our Jet model JTM 4VS. It has a 9x49-inch table, 3 horsepower variable speed head, R8 taper. It's got a Newell DRO. It's got a servo style longitudinal power feed, an AccuPro vise. I'm going to give you a quick view around her. The head, table, which is very nice. Ways, which are hardening ground. Newell DRO. Overall view. Just got a forklift coming through. We'll set it down and run it for you. Jet.